Hey guys, Robert Brown here with Goldwell North America. I'm here in my salon and I thought I would take advantage of this downtime and share with you guys a really cool styling technique. As a younger stylist in the 80s, we used to live and die by using hot rollers. Every client got hot rollers. They were on and off the pins all day heating up. It's a great look and it's really new and fresh for some eyes that haven't seen it. So here's a fun, easy way to do them in the salon and make them yourself. Check this out. So to make the rollers, I'll take a regular paper towel tube and I'm gonna cut it in thirds. So just do what you can to cut through and just make 3 pieces. And these are the perfect size for the rollers. But to get them to stay in the hair, you take one and cut it down lengthwise. And now this will wrap around this and hold the roller in place. So here's how this works. This is a classic heat transfer set. So I've got to get some heat into the hair before I transfer it onto these roller tubes that I'm going to use like hot rollers. I'm going to use Goldwell StyleSign Just Smooth, the Sleek Perfection. Just wind it down while it's nice and hot and let it cool. So here we are with the roller set complete. There's 1,000 ways you could do this, but I usually go with the classic standard. So let's let her cool just a few more minutes and then we'll take the set down and see what we get. I'm going for a loopy, kind of sexy style, maybe a little bit 80s, and see what kind of curl I can get to happen and movement. I think it'll be great. Figure styling, and she's awesome. Hot rollers are amazing, so if you don't have a set, be sure and get some. Otherwise, use this paper towel tube idea. It works perfectly. If you need more inspiration or information, be sure and check out our Goldwell YouTube channel, and be sure and keep the Goldwell Education Plus app updated on your phone at all times. So from me to you, Hair Robert, take care of yourself, stay healthy. You gotta try this as soon as possible.